Okay, this is the front side, the front page. So I'll do it in one video. 12 o'clock. So the first thing I want you to do is tell me the relationship. So this one you can tell is a alternate interior, right? Alternate interior, they're the same, right? So remember, if you draw one of these, if you want to do this, A, this is A, this is B, this is B, this is A, this is A, B, and B. If you look at these two, this is A and this is A, so they're both the same. So when you set up your equation, 18x plus 14 equals 22x minus 20. So minus 18x minus 18x. These two cross. 14 comes down. 22 minus 18 is 4x minus 20. Let's do it's going to be plus 20. Plus 20. It's going to be 34 equals 4x divided by 4 divided by 4. And x equals, I have no idea. So 4 divided by 4, too lazy to divide. It's going to be 34 divided by 4 equals 8.5. So x equals 8.5, so we can come over here and do 22 times 8.5 minus 20. 22 times 8.5 is 187. 187 minus 20 equals 167. Alright, and if this is 167, this is also 167 because they're the same, right? So here, these two are different, so they're supplementary, right? So this would be an A and this would be a B. So they're different. So if they're different, we can write 15x minus 25 plus 10x plus 30 equals 180. 15x and 10x is 25x minus 25 plus 30 is plus 5 equals 180. Minus 5 minus 5, 175, 25x, divide by 25, divide by 25. You have a calculator, right? So 175 divided by 5 is 7. So again, we can go back here. So this would be 10 times 7 plus 30. 10 times 7 is 70 plus 30. This would be 100. If this is 100, I don't even have to do that one. Yeah, I know this is going to be 80. Yeah, there's a lot. Okay. Again, this is alternate interior again. Really? Yeah, but so this is again alternate interior. Alternate interior. And this is equal to each other. So 12x plus 23 equals 60x minus 1 minus 12x minus 12x. This is 23. This is going to be 48x minus 1. So we're going to do plus 1, plus 1. We get 24 equals 48x. Divide by 48, divide by 48. And x equals 0.5 or a half. Right? Now you can go back to the equation. And over here, 60 times 0.5 minus 1. 60 times 0.5 is 30. 30 minus 1, so it's 30. Minus 1 gives me 29. So this is 29. This is also 29 because they're alternate interior. This is, you can tell that this is A and B, right? They're different. So if they're different, 15 minus 33x plus 13 minus 5x, that's equal to 180. Combine like terms, 15 and 23 is 28. Negative 33 and negative 5 is negative 38x equals 180. Minus 28, minus 28. This goes bye-bye, negative 38x equals 2, 7, 152. So you divide both sides by negative 38, right? So divide by negative 38. Divide by negative 38. You're going to get a negative number. That's okay. 152 minus, 152 divided, 152 divided by 30. Oh my God. 152 divided by 38 equals 152 divided by 38 equals 4, or negative 4. So if I go back here, I'm going to get 15 minus 33 times negative 4. 15, a negative times a negative is a positive, and 33 plus times 4 is 132. So this is going to give me 157, no, 147. So this top one is 147. The bottom one is 13 minus 5x. Let's substitute 13 minus negative 4. 13, negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 4 is 20, and that's going to give me 33. This is vertical, right? Vertical. The vertical are the same, so we're going to write 5x minus 13 equals 6x minus 35. So we're going to do minus 5x, minus 5x. Make a little wall here, right? This goes bye-bye, negative 13. 6x minus 5x is x, minus 35. Plus 35, plus 35. So these goes bye-bye. X equals 5 minus 3 is 2, 22. X equals 22. So we can go back here. It goes 6 times 22 minus 35. 6 times 32 is 132 minus 35. And 132 minus 35 is going to be 97. And this is also 97 because they're vertical, right? They're the same. This is different. Again, this is A and this is B, so they're different. So we're going to do 5x plus 38 plus 2x plus 9 equals 180. 5x and 2x is 7x. 38 plus 9 is 47 equals 180. Minus 43, minus 43. 7x plus, not minus 43, minus 47. Minus 47, that's bye-bye. And you're going to get 137, I think. Really? And 137 divided by 7 equals, uh-oh, something wrong here. 180 minus 47 equals 133, sorry. This should be 133. Divided by 7, divided by 7, x equals 19. We can go back to the picture. It's going to be 2 times 19 plus 9. 2 times 19 is 38 plus 9. This is 47. On top is 5 times 19 plus 38. 5 times 19 is 95 plus 38, and that's going to give you 133. 133 and 47. Next two. These are corresponding. They're both in the same position. Top left corner, top left corner. So this is A and this is A, the same, right? So we can do A equals A, right? So we're going to get 47, so 43x minus 31 equals 31x plus 17. Let's do minus 31x minus 31x. So this is going to be 12x minus 31 equals 17 plus 31 plus 31. 12x, cross this out, equals 48. Divide by 12, divide by 12, and x equals 4. So I can take the 4, put it back here on top, right? So let me erase this A over here. So I'm going to get 43 times 4 minus 31. 43 times 4 is 172 minus 31. And 172 minus 31 is going to be 141. So this is 141, which means this guy is 141. Remember, they're the same. If this is A, this is B. They're different. All right. So if one is A, remember, if one is A, the other one is B, we do A plus B equals 180. So 40x plus 5 plus 55x minus 15 equals 180. 40x and 55x is 95x. Positive 5x and negative 15x is negative 10x. And that gives you 180. Sorry. Plus 10, plus 10. 95x equals 190. Divide by 95, divide by 95, and x equals 2. Good. So it's 55 times 2 minus 15, 110 minus 15. So this gives you 95. On top, it's 40 times 2 plus 5. 40 times 2 is 80, plus 5 equals 85. This is A, and this is B. They're different, so again I have to do A plus B equals 180, so plus 72 minus 12x equals 180. Is this 10x minus 2x? I don't know what this means. Well, let's see, 10x, I don't like this. I don't know what that is. Let's see, 8x, it's going to be a negative number, so that has to be, I think that has to be 24. I'm going to put 24 over here. Let's see if that works. 10x and negative 12x is negative 2x. 24 and 72 is positive 848 equals 180. No, this is not going to work. Maybe, hang on a second. No, so I want you to forget this problem. I don't know what the number is, and it's not working. So this one is a no. Again, these are corresponding. So if corresponding, this is A and this is A, so they're A equal A, right? So we can write 4x plus 52 plus 7x plus 7. Oops. They're equal to each other, sorry. Equals 7x plus 7. Minus 4x, minus 4x. 52 equals 7x minus 4x is 3x plus 7. Minus 7, minus 7. This is 45. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 15. Good. So we can go back here and substitute. So we get 4 times 15 plus 52. 4 times 15 is 60 plus 52. This is equals 112. Let me look for the other sheet, which is the back side of what you have. So it says, let's go to the top. These are supplementary, right? So this plus this equals 180. So again, it's pretty easy, right? 7x minus 3 plus 2x minus 6 equals 180. 7x plus 2x is 9x. Negative 3 and negative 6 is negative 9 equals 180 plus 9 plus 9. And you're going to get 9x equals 189. Divided by 9, divided by 9, and x equals 21. Okay, so you can go back here, and you're going to get 2 times 21 minus 6. 2 times 21 is 42. 42 minus 6 is 36. So this is 36. This one is 7 times 21 minus 3, which is 147 minus 3, which is 144. So this angle is 144, and this angle on this side is 36. Over here, again, supplementary. 3x plus 10 plus 2x equals 180. 3x and 2x is 5x plus 10 equals 180. Minus 10 minus 10. 5x equals 170. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. X equals 34. X equals 34. So if we come back here, this one's easy. It's 2 times 34, which is equal to 68. On the other side is 3x plus 10, right? 3x plus 10. So we're going to do 3 times 34 plus 10, which is 12, 9, 102 plus 10, which gives you 112. So one angle is 112 and the other one is 68 degrees. So here I want you to draw a model, draw a picture. So vertical angle. It's 2 lines that cross. One is 56. So you can put the 56 here or here. Let's just put it here. This is 56. How much is this one? It's also 56. And that's it. Right, the measure of an angle whose supplement is 89. So here we have supplement, right? So one of the angles is 89. So 89 is a very close, it's not a straight line. It's a little bit like this. 89. If this is 89, how much is this side? Right, because that's going to give us for question 180 minus 89 is going to give us 91. This is 91 degrees. So they want a picture. Again, supplement. So if this angle is 9 degrees, how much is this one? Right, so it's going to be 180 minus 9, which is going to give us 171. Complement means 90 degrees, so let me draw straight line, straight line. This is 90 degrees. One angle is 28. So yes, this angle is 28 degrees. How much is here? This one's going to be 90 minus 28. And 90 minus 28 equals 62. So this here is going to be 62. So this one says that angle 1, let's find angle. So that here's 2x is 35. Angle 2, which is right here at the bottom, is 3x plus 7. Right? So what kind of relationship is vertical angles? So we know they're equal to each other. So it's going to be 2x plus 35 plus 3, equals 3x plus 7. So we're going to do minus 2x here, minus 2x, and we put a line here. So 35 comes down, this is bye-bye. 3x minus 2x is x plus 7, minus 7, minus 7. Cross this out, x equals 28. This one is nice and easy, so go back here. So it's 2 times 28 plus 35, 2 times 28 plus 35. 2 times 28 is 56, and 56 plus 35 equals 91. So this is 91 degrees, which means this one at the bottom is also 91 degrees. Okay, so we have two angles that are complementary, so remember it adds to 90. So here's my 90 degree angle. One angle is called 2y, and the other one is called y minus 18. Find the angles. So our equation is going to be 2y plus y minus 18 equals, careful here, has to be 90. 2y and 3y is 3y. Minus 18 equals 90. We're going to do plus 18. Plus 18 cross 3y equals 108. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Y equals 18. Oh, jeez. 108 divided by 3 equals 36. So let's go back here. So it's 2 times 36. So this is going to be 72. Here's going to be y minus 18, or 36 minus 18, which is just 18. So one angle is 72, and the other one is 18. Find the variable and the angle. This is complementary. So x plus 3 plus 2x minus 3 equals, we know this is complementary, which is 90. 2x and 3x. 2x, so x and 2x is 3x. Positive 3 and negative 3 is 0. Equals 90. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals 30. But this is over here, so it's x plus 3 or 30 plus 3, which is 33. And over here is 2 times 30 minus 3, which is going to be 2 times 30 is 60, minus 3 is 57. So this is 57, and this is 33. Last one. So these are complementary, so 2x plus 3x minus 10 equals 90. 2x and 3x is 5x, minus 10 equals 90, plus 10, plus 10, 5x equals 100, and x equals 20. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 21. So we like to divide by 5. X equals 20, go back here. This is 2 times 20, which is 40. Over here it's going to be 3 times 20 minus 10, and that's going to give us 50. So my angle is 50, and the other angle is 40. And that's it.